In this video, you'll learn how to disable automatic GIF playback on Discord for a smoother experience. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Start by opening the Discord app. Next, navigate to the bottom right corner, where you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to proceed. In your profile menu, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to access more options. Scroll down until you find Accessibility and select it to open the accessibility settings. Within the Accessibility menu, scroll until you locate the Automatically Play GIFs when possible option. By default, this feature is enabled, meaning GIFs will autoplay in your chat. To turn off automatic GIF playback, simply tap on this option. This change will prevent GIFs from playing automatically, offering a more streamlined browsing experience. And that's it! You've successfully turned off automatic GIF playback on Discord. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward guides.